Oh, we're back in the air. I was crunching on some ice. Um, I'm gonna head down the road or down this private path to the middle of the field. Look how many watermelons are gonna be ready to get picked tomorrow. They've got them all lined up already. Now we got a lot of watermelons to go, and some humongously giant ones over here. They are giant. If it doesn't rain, we're gonna have a good harvest tomorrow. Um, anyways, this is just a short video of what's been going on. Now over here, it's been picked already, so we're waiting for the second round on this field here. This field has already been picked, so this one we're gonna leave alone for another week or so and let the smaller watermelons start growing to its full mature capacity before it gets picked. So, anyways, I'm gonna put this to an end. This would be another update of the watermelon harvest of 2021. Today is June the 26th. I think it's June the 26th. We'll double check that. Yes. Saturday, June the 26th. And 2021. Before I leave, I want to give a special greetings to Edelyn Barrows. Edelyn Barrows. She is from the Philippines, a place that us tourists are not allowed to enter yet. I send my greetings to you and your family, your kids, your mama, your auntie, your cousins, and maybe I hope to see you again. If not, it'll probably be the way the Philippine politics is going on. I don't think I'm going to be able to travel to the Philippines this year. I might have to try my luck next year. Apparently, the Philippines does not want to allow tourists to enter the country. They seem to want to eliminate COVID-19, but it's never going to be eliminated. It's very obvious. All of the countries all over the world have already admitted that we're not going to be able to eliminate COVID-19. We can control it. We can live around it, but we're not going to be able to eliminate it. But they seem to think that they can eliminate it, and that's not going to happen ever. And the only thing that's happening with the Philippines is that their economy is going down the drain, since 90% of the Philippines economy is on tourism. And that's the last thing that they're allowing people to do, is to enter the Philippines, even though we're fully vaccinated. Anyways, that is their politics, and I don't get involved in their politics or even in the politics of the U.S. Y'all have a safe weekend, and see what Sunday comes around. Hopefully tomorrow, being Sunday, you will go to the Christian church of your choice And may God bless all of you, not just the United States, but everyone around the world. Until the next video blog, I say adieu. Good afternoon or good evening. It's been a while. Been a couple of days since I haven't come out. Dave here. How's everyone doing out there in YouTube world? Doing great so far. We want to update you on the watermelon. So we're going on the second round now. We're getting an abundance of watermelons. A good, premium, grade A, super sweet seedless watermelons. They're being distributed along the whole eastern board of the United States. Coming directly out of Central Texas. Directly out of Central Texas. Lago Vista's #1 pride in fruit is our homegrown watermelons. We take pride, we take honor to be able to serve you all within the eastern seaboard of the United States. You all get to enjoy our grade A super premium watermelons. I sound like a commercial, but I'm very happy because I took a bite out of it once, just a few nights ago. Cold watermelon, real cold. It's best when you have it served cold. My gosh, sweet. My gosh, it was sweet. I mean, you can just taste it, and it just your mouth waters, basically. And anyways, I'm here at my work site. I'm here at the ranch, and you can see, and I'm gonna disconnect because I really don't need this tripod for the to hold the camera. I'm gonna put a little bit of a rundown of how we're working all day, pretty much. Getting all these forklifts and getting all these watermelons in, putting them in, sorting them out, making sure that they go to its appropriate delivery locations. We should have truck tractors pretty much ready to send these off. Now we have a distribution center in Atlanta, Georgia, so more than likely these will probably go directly to Atlanta, and then from Atlanta they will be redistributed to a lot of the major food stores that run along the area, from all the way from Missouri to Mississippi, Florida, all the way on up to South and North Carolina, Virginia's, New York, Rhode Island, all the way up to Vermont. A lot of people love our watermelons here. They're in great demand. And naturally, this is This is just the first phase. Actually, the second phase. The second phase is when the watermelons, the first batch of watermelons that came out are beautifully sweet, but this second round is even more sweeter. I mean, it is incredible how sweet these watermelons are. We pride ourselves in taking care of the land and making sure that we are able to send you the best watermelons that are available. As you can see right here, this is a remnant of what comes out. There's many watermelons that don't make it to the shipping center because they either got too burned for the sun or they consume too much water during the rainy season. But there's some out here that came out superbly perfect, as you can see here. I'm gonna park real quick, like my ranch dog's following me, but if you can see through the rearview mirror, he loves following me around. I'm gonna park right here real quick, right? And I don't think I'm gonna get off. There's still a large abundance of mosquitoes, even when it's windy. No, I'm not gonna give my blood away to these varmints. But as you can see, there's still a lot of them watermelons right here. I mean, just look at this line right here. If you can look at the line all the way down the field, these are watermelons that are going to be ready for the third round. The third round is going to be in about another week and a half or so. These watermelons will be perfect. They will be ripe, perfect for the harvesting.